Hey guys, today I'm gonna be teaching y'all. I don't know what kind of slime I'm making because you can make any kind of slime, but it just can't be watery. I might be making today a shaving cream slime, so this might be only about 2 ingredients, and the 2 ingredients might only just be shaving cream and salt. And I hope this works because I never tried this before. I was just thinking of something because I just saw some videos of JSH DIY. So yeah. So let's get on to the video. First thing we need is shaving cream, salt, a bowl, something to mix with. I'm just using this little thing because you can't add too much. Because you see the holes, I can just put salt in there and then it goes through the sprinklers. Yeah, it's because I don't want that much. I'm not using this. This is for my shaving cream now. Yeah, because if you add too much, then it might just become watery. Yeah, I got this for Easter. Yeah. So, the first thing I do is you add your shaving cream, and I will be right back to this tutorial after I get done adding my shaving cream. Okay, I am back, and I just got done stirring that. That's only shaving cream, but I'm going to stir some more, so I'll get back again. After that, I stirred, I'm going to add some food coloring gel, because this is food coloring gel, and I only got a toothpick because it's hard to get this out, and yesterday my hands were pink because of this, because I didn't use a toothpick, because I was supposed to use a toothpick, so that's why. So I'll be back to this tutorial when I get done adding that. Yeah, I have to do that. Yeah. Let me do some more stirring and mixing in it. Yeah. You might can't hardly see it, but it's alright. See? And I'm about to add my salt and I'll be back to this tutorial after I add my. That's the end of this tutorial, and you see over there, because look what happened in my salt. I got that pink stuff in my salt. So I ought to dye my salt pink. Actually, that's a good idea. Yeah, but so bye guys.